What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the fam.
Today, Dad, why are we outside?
Yeah, it's cold and snowy out, but
Yeah.
we're gonna stick you in a winter wonderland today, so I thought it would be a good idea to come out here and record this, but dang, it's cold out.
Yeah, snow's going in my eyes.
All right, let's get this thing going.
Roll it. Here's the before, and here's the after.
Do you like the snow?
Yeah,
Yeah, I do too.
I think I know why you like snow.
Why?
Because you lived in Texas and California your whole life.
You are right, but if it's gonna be cold, I at least want snow on the ground, because then it just looks like dead and cold. What do you think? That reindeer comes walking up to you, you gonna feed it?
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
nice.
no way I would feed that thing. I don't even like squirrels.
Me neither, but I still think a reindeer would be nice.
Yeah, you're a better person than I am. There you go. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Where you put the snow.
Ooh, the snow, yeah. I like the twinkly lights because I'm not putting twinkly lights on the house this year, so put them on the reindeer instead. All right, see you next time.
Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!
I do
I think I know why.
too. Why?
Because you lived in Texas and California your whole life and they didn't have.
Dogs chasing their tail. Never mind that.
It's freezing out.
Ooh, yeah, it's getting cold. Let's roll this.
But roll it. He's peeing